Dear learners, today we are going to discuss the topic Software Packages for Privacy. Introduction. Privacy has become an unending and growing concern for e-commerce users, providers, technologists, as well as the policy makers with its rapid expansion and usage. While it is challenging for a new user to complete an e-commerce transaction without providing private information, protecting that information is another challenging issue for the providers, technologists, and policy makers. E-commerce users are reluctant to provide private information or even to browse online if they have doubts about their privacy protection. Fortunately, there are technologies as well as policies in effect to help protect privacy. Many other technologies and policies are in development stages to help in the future. Trustee, BBB Online, and WebTrust are some of the companies providing standardized privacy protection technology and policy services. However, to build functional and effective mechanisms for those companies and other privacy protection technologies and policies, there is a need to know more about the series of privacy issues in order. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, the learner will have information about the privacy of e-commerce, ways people are losing their privacy while using e-commerce and privacy threats, existing technologies and policies to protect privacy, and the future of privacy protection. Privacy issues in e-commerce. People are now in the era of e-commerce. The means by which people buy and sell are rapidly changing from traditional to e-commerce. But while buying and selling online, people disclose their personal information and that data is proliferated and reaches the hand of undesirable parties, thereby increasing privacy concerns. Privacy violations on the internet as well as in e-commerce have become an everyday issue. Countless surveys conducted around the world over the past decade confirm consistently high levels of privacy concern in e-commerce. However, there are numerous research, technologies, and policies in place to face the challenges of privacy threats and concerns. Privacy in e-commerce means the protection of privacy of the parties involved in an e-commerce transaction. It has become one of the most complex legal issues facing e-commerce ventures today, as many sites often collect substantial amount of personal data that may trigger liability risks. Some of this data, for example names, email addresses, credit card information, etc., is actively supplied by users through forms. Users may also willingly provide personal information in threaded discussion messages which are archived on the site. On the contrary, some of this data is passively collected. The host server saves predictable information about each visit. Banner ads on certain sites allow third-party advertisers to track users' browsing habits. B2B privacy issues. Unauthorized access to sensitive information about business proprietary systems, customer names, operations, pricing and deal terms, financial data, and other competitive transaction information might occur. B2C privacy issues. The e-commerce environment is often a one-way mirror effect from customer perspective. Customers are usually asked to provide personal information, but they have little or no knowledge about how their information will be used and protected. From a business perspective, an understanding of customers' privacy concerns is essential for learning how and what personal information is collected, classifying confidential information, and providing solutions to secure each customer's confidential information. C2C privacy issues. C2C websites like eBay, OLX enable the sale and purchase of products and services between individual customers. Individual customers often provide private information to complete the transaction while buying and selling products. It is the prime responsibility of the C2C e-commerce provider to implement the necessary security policies to ensure that the exchange occurs only under the agreed policies. Now let's discuss the existing technologies available to protect privacy. The e-commerce community, technology firms like Trustea, BBB Online, etc., and corresponding government agencies like Industry Canada, Privacy Commission of Canada, Federal Trade Commission of USA, etc., have been working together to draft policies and establish privacy protocols and tools to safeguard the privacy. Many policies are already in effect and many tools created by technology firms are in order. They are updated regularly depending on the changing sequence of events. The software engineering community has been working on privacy protocols and tools that are easy to use and has implemented them for end users. Users are benefiting from systems that aid them in identifying circumstances where a site's privacy policy contradicts their interest. They are also benefiting from systems that help in reaching a mutual agreement for exchange of data. Below are some of the technology firms and their range of service. Trustea. Trustea is an organization that certifies websites that follow a privacy standard. It is now known as TrustArc and it offers a wide range of solutions to help businesses at every stage of privacy program development. It was founded as a non-profit industry association in 1997 by Laurie Fenner, then Executive Director of the Electronic Frontier Foundation, and Charles Jennings, a software entrepreneur with the mission of promoting e-commerce by helping businesses and other online organizations self-regulate privacy concerns. Trustea offers assurance for data of all types, data that flows from a consumer to business, from a business back to a consumer, and from a business to other businesses. It also provides privacy dispute resolution services intended to help manage consumer requests and complaints regarding the privacy practices of the companies participating in Trustea's program. When a company agrees with the standards of Trustea and while providing them with valid privacy statements, they are allowed to place a trust mark on their websites to show they are a trustworthy company. With thousands of certified websites globally, Trustea remains the largest privacy seal program. Some of the Trustea requirements include not sharing customer information with other companies, showing how they plan to use the information, and allowing customers to access any personal information they provide to the company. Trustea changed its structure from a non-profit organization to a for-profit company backed by venture capital in 2008. This raised the question of whether a for-profit company would be less stringent on the companies it certifies than a non-profit. In 2013, Trustea became the official certification provider for the European Union Self-Regulatory Program for online behavioral advertising after being approved by the European Interactive Digital Advertising Alliance. The same year, Trustea was entitled the first approved accountability agent for the Asia Pacific Economic Corporation's cross-border privacy rules system. Some of the services offered by Trustea. Depending on the size and needs of a business, Trustea offers varying levels of trust seals. Enterprise level services from Trustea comprise of Web Privacy Seal, Email Privacy Seal, Children's Privacy Seal, Trusted Download Program, Site Reputation Services, EU Safe Harbor Seal. Since most small and mid-sized businesses don't need this level of service, Trustea also offers more affordable privacy and seal programs for small and medium-sized businesses. The standard program covers one website and includes 500 views per day with a Trustea seal, standard privacy policy generation, privacy scanning, and dispute resolution. To qualify for a trustee certificate, business practices must include notifying website users of how their personal information is used, giving users a choice regarding the use of their data, providing a way for users to access and amend their information, and security measures to protect users' data. If a business meets these requirements, the application process can be started online at the Trustee Certification Center. In addition to the initial online application, the online privacy statement, trustee self-assessment form that evaluates the business management practices and completed service agreement must be submitted to trustee. The time required for trustee to certify a website will depend on various aspects of the site and current privacy practices, but with a standard privacy program. It's possible to receive the seal within 2 business days. The cost of obtaining a license to display the trustee privacy seal relies upon a company's overall revenue. In case of subsidiary companies, the measure used is the overall annual revenue of the parent company. Depending on the annual revenue of a company, the annual fee ranges from $299 to $6,999. Next, let's discuss about WebTrust. WebTrust is a service jointly developed by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants (AICPA) and the Canadian Institute of Chartered Accountants (CICA). Designed for e-commerce based systems, WebTrust relies on a series of principles and criteria aimed at promoting confidence and trust between consumers and companies conducting business. Public accounting firms and practitioners with a WebTrust business license acquired from the AICPA or CICA can provide assurance services to evaluate and assess whether a particular website meets the trust services principles and criteria. The WebTrust seal is then placed on the organization's website following the engagement. This seal assures that the website meets the principles and criteria of trust services. The WebTrust program is based on the following trust services principles and criteria: security, protection against unauthorized access, both physical and logical; availability, available for operation and use as committed or agreed; processing integrity, system processing is complete, accurate, timely and authorized; online privacy, personal information obtained as a result of e-commerce is collected, used, disclosed and retained as committed or agreed; confidentiality, information designated as confidential is protected as committed or agreed. The evaluation criteria and examples of illustrative controls specific to each principle can be found on the AICPA website. Practitioners can offer assurance on any one or a combination of the above principles and criteria in the latest version of the WebTrust program. They are also allowed to include organizations' customized disclosures as long as they are encompassed in an existing WebTrust principle. A distinct WebTrust program still exists for certificate authorities. The WebTrust seal of assurance signifies that a CPA or a CA has accessed the website's business practices and controls to conform to the WebTrust principles. To conform to the WebTrust principles and criteria, and has issued a statement with an unqualified opinion indicating that such principles are being followed in conformity with the WebTrust criteria. To ensure the authenticity of the WebTrust seal, specific procedures have been established by the AICPA and CICA regarding the deployment and maintenance of the seal. The steps to be followed to join WebTrust Privacy Seal program are as follows. Contact a specially trained licensed WebTrust provider. A WebTrust provider can be found by asking a company's CPA, chartered accountant or equivalent, or by contacting the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants or similar institute in the respective country and requesting a list of WebTrust providers. Meet the principles for privacy as measured by the WebTrust criteria. Obtain an unqualified report from the WebTrust provider. Estimated costs for acquiring a privacy seal can be obtained from a specially trained and licensed WebTrust provider. There are two main costs. One cost is the fee of WebTrust provider who inspects a company's electronic commerce standards. This fee exhibits the work required to assure a company and its customers that all applicable WebTrust standards are met. The other cost is an annual fee for the digital certificate that validates the WebTrust seal and confirms that a company has learned from the WebTrust mark. These costs are not disclosed and are specific to the company for which the services are provided. Let's discuss about BBB Online now. The Better Business Bureau (BBB), with the help of nationally recognized security and privacy experts, created toolkits to help business owners manage security and privacy challenges. BBB Online is a wholly owned subsidiary of the Council of BBB. Promote trust and confidence on the Internet through the BBB Online Reliability and Privacy Seal programs is its mission. The main objective is to expose the complexities of data security and give small businesses a non-technical roadmap to securing their customer data. The following steps are prerequisite to join BBB Online's Privacy Seal program. The requesting company must first complete the business application and pay the application an annual assessment evaluation fee. The fee must be submitted with the application. After submission, an email will be received by the requesting company directing it to complete the compliance assessment questionnaire. Complete the compliance assessment questionnaire. It is the basis for determining the company's eligibility for the Privacy Seal program. A compliance analyst is then assigned to review the questionnaire. After BBB Online reviews a company's website, the company is notified of any outstanding issues. The company is required to answer within 60 days. If there is no response after 60 days, all applications are considered inactive and companies need to submit a new application and questionnaire, including additional application and evaluation fees. Submit the participant agreement to BBB Online after adding signature. The Privacy Policy Review Service (PPRS) is offered by BBB Online and it is used to process consumer complaints. The PPRS is responsible for the dispute resolution process, determining the eligibility of a complaint and evaluating, investigating, analyzing and making a decision on the merits of an eligible complaint. The PPRS will make a final decision as to whether a complaint is eligible and will continue with its dispute resolution process if eligible. All BBB Online Privacy Seal program applicants are required to pay a one-time $75 application fee in addition to the annual assessment evaluation fee. The application fee is non-refundable. If a company does not meet the threshold standards based on a preliminary review of the application, an assessment evaluation will not be conducted and the assessment evaluation fee will be refunded. If a company meets the threshold standards, an assessment evaluation will be conducted. The assessment evaluation fee is non-refundable in such cases. The annual fee ranges from $200 to $6,000 depending on the annual revenue of the company. Trustee, which is the oldest of the three Privacy Seal programs, has by far the most licensed websites, almost doubling the volume of BBB Online. WebTrust, which is the newest of the three Privacy Seal programs, does not yet compare to the volume of either Trustee or BBB Online. Future of privacy. The digital age has provided the world at large with remarkable access to services and information. The explosion of the internet, which is now ubiquitous in our everyday lives, has given rise to numerous and significant advantages. However, it is crucial to understand how the digital age is impacting our personal privacy. Despite the sensational elements of the internet, users have to understand that nothing comes without a cost. Consumers readily provide private data for big corporations to do with them as they please, while several governments of the world enforce heavy surveillance programs often under the nose of their citizens. Increase in data collection. A few years or decades ago, the idea of voluntarily providing personal data to corporations was considered ridiculous. There were warnings with facts by several researchers that personal data should be protected at all costs. The alternative would result in a future with little to no personal privacy, as personal data would become a medium of exchange. Today, this has clearly become a fact of life. For instance, we provide Google, Facebook, Twitter, and e-commerce companies with an abundance of information every single day. Users also do not think twice about accepting user agreements even though the services offered may impose on their privacy. Privacy versus convenience. One of the most outrageous trends of our time, which will only grow stronger in the future, is the concept of sacrificing privacy for convenience. For instance, while searching for something on private search engines, personal data is kept private, but they do not yield any personalized results at all. In contrast, Google searches provide us with more convenient results, but it also supplies several corporations with personal data. In the future, internet access will most likely be available to a considerably larger percentage of the population. Thus, more and more people will be connected to networks, and services like e-commerce will become an even more inseparable part of life. Thus, the significance of privacy attached to them will become even more prevalent. Privacy only off the grid. Though this is true to some extent today as well, complete privacy in the future may only be possible for those who live entirely off grid. A connected world means that every single action is logged somewhere and that privacy is a luxury afforded by very few. Regardless of any measures taken to protect one's identity online, privacy in the digital age has to be redefined. The old definitions no longer seem to apply, and this will only become more apparent in the future, where the rest of the world will be connected as well. Conclusion. The emerging trend in the world today is the shifting from an offline system to an online system. Hence, It is important to protect consumers' personal information from any data breaches. Data privacy can be used as a tool developed for data security. Data security and data privacy are both centered on a balance of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Privacy policies can increase consumer confidence in a site's online presence. Consumers feel more comfortable in making purchases or to give their personal information if privacy policies are posted. According to a report by AT&T, 27% of users would normally be reluctant to provide their names and postal addresses for a hobby website. However, 58% of those users would be more likely to provide the information if the site displayed a privacy policy and a seal of approval from a well-known consumer advocacy organization like Trustee or Better Business Bureau. Hence, ensuring the privacy is not only protecting the personal information but also having a good system with appropriate privacy and security policies to ensure the success of online shopping. Hope this lesson will be useful to you learners. Thank you.